Put a tornado warning out and that's one of the island palm. Nope, needs to be done somewhere.
Just get to a sturdier shelter.
Let's have an update into that warning if we could take a look at the radar.
That was gonna get a tornado warning. East of Hot Springs.
Morrilton and Plumerville, you are all clear. The tornado warning has been canceled for Morrilton as well as Plumerville. Still remains in effect until 6:15 for Cypress Valley, Hill Creek, Twin Groves, Cedar Creek, Republican, Greenbrier, and McGinty Town, as well as Quinton and the Barney area. The possible circulation with the storm now very near Hill Creek, what we were talking about a little bit earlier, just to the west of Arkansas Highway 92. What we're going to look now at is our velocity data to see where that circulation very well may be. Switching the view right now to the storm velocity data, and we will take a look at where that circulation could be. At this point, it looks like it's very near Arkansas Highway 124, Arkansas Highway 92, in that vicinity, near those highway intersections, or near that highway intersection.
I'm gonna be watching this for a possible tornado warning.
The best indicator of where that circulation could be.